Hi guys, my name is Korina and this is Swatch Queen. Today I'm gonna show you a new product from Fenty Beauty and it's the Diamond Bomb. So this is the box that it came with. This is the Diamond Bomb and the packaging is awesome. I love how it looks like a diamond, how extra it is. So this is the new Fenty Beauty highlighter. It is a product from their anniversary collection. This is Diamond Bomb and it looks like this. So the feeling is soft like Mochi feel. It reminds me of the Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter, which is also a Mochi feel. I believe Stila has this color too. So I'll swatch the Diamond Bomb. And this is how it looks like swatched. So yes, it is a very fine glitter. It is a bunch of silver glitter and it makes your skin look wet. I tried it using my finger and also I tried using a brush. This is the A23 Anastasia brush, which is a face brush, bronzing, blush, or contour. So what I did, I just dip and swirl the brush into the Diamond Bomb. I got some glitters and just applied it. You can apply it with more pigment using your finger. What I don't like about this is, look how I already transferred the foundation. But then I can try to clean it with tissue. Just like that. What I like about the Diamond Bomb is the packaging. It's very extra. I also like the product and it works. If you don't like glitters on your face, this is not a product for you. Also, if you're looking for a cheaper version, Stila has the same color. So I put Diamond Bomb How Many Carats on my face. So let's see how it glitters under a flashlight. Can you guys see? Oh my gosh. You guys see the glitters? Oh wow, it's so beautiful. You'll be glittering. Oh yeah, that's extra. Look at this. Love it. This is so cool. Diamond Bomb How Many Carats is approved by me. I didn't get the lip gloss because again, I don't use lip glosses. Okay, so for you guys who wants to win, I'm going to give away a Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb How Many Carats. So what you can do is subscribe, of course, like this video, leave a comment below, say hi, where are you from, and do you like the Diamond Bomb How Many Carats? And also click that notification bell for my next videos. Good luck to you guys. I hope you win. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next video. Bye.